our children's assistant here at the headquarters library.
Thanks for tuning in today. Today we are making an origami craft for our headquarters kids pick-me-up for the week. We are calling it a bug crawler.
In your pick-me-up kit from the headquarters library, you will receive 6 pieces of origami paper, 2 pieces of yarn, a glue stick, and a sheet of instructions.
So feel free to watch this video and follow along with us. You can always rewind and restart it if you need to. And remember, origami is difficult, so we included some extra sheets of paper so you can always start over. When you finish making your bug crawler, you can always make a second one so you can race a friend. So to race them, you're going to take the loop of your string and put it on a doorknob or another stationary object, and you're going to alternate pulling the left and right strings to make him climb.
Thanks for joining us. And don't forget to sign up for summer reading.
Bye!